welcome back to the channel. Today is like an old school day. Lloyd is bringing his E34 M5 and Ahmed is bringing the E36. His E36 dropped. Come on! Comment down below of what you think of this car, Charlie. Like, yo, you guys better comment down below what you think of these cars. Like, Charlie. So, as I mentioned earlier, we're here with the boys. Lloyd in the E34 M5. That's them standing over there. Oforis GRE Highlands. The Pizza Hut. You can legitimately smell the tires. Collect that. So you don't make OG say what? You say it's the same.
Like him, like he is step car top. You know how you go like half throttle. He doesn't know how to go.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Ah, watch this guy. I want to hear the I want to hear the Give me the Give me the Go do it again. Oh, watch this. Watch this. This RS6 is sick.
Audi is bad. You see the camera
So this is the C8 RS6. Looking all lovely. came with the G90 M5. So this is tuned. So it didn't come with that, but like I think there's a wrap. This is like British Racing Green with these rims as well. As I always say, guys, buy good tires. These are lovely tires. There you got the G90. This is naughty, man. Listen to this. As you guys didn't know, this is tuning, QS tuning in the UK. So it's bloody fast.
Sweet, huh?
Very, very sweet.
Oh, but I'll still kill him. I'm like that.
Charlie, I said the combo the beamy. Combination. Initial this thing. Reaction. Charlie, this is fast. Hey.
This one, I won't try.
Oh, you can't take him on. You can't take him on.
Forget it.
You can't take him on.
See,
I believe in
at this
you.
point, I don't even want to be in manual mode. I want it to shift
To
by
shift by
itself.
yourself.
Will it shift? There's an S1, right?
Yeah.
So it will shift by itself.
Yeah, just hold the gears back.
Hey!
What? Charlie, my voice have changed. What? Charlie, this shit just didn't move, bro. Back to the last video. What do you like? The bats. The bats. We're back with the bats.
That is quick.
Shit.
Charlie.
Okay, from the
guy
traffic
that
lights.
crossed.
From the traffic lights.
Unless you go 10,
Come back.
Yeah, so-
Because here the cars on the front.
The BMW power. I swear. Me, at the time you say you go last me, you don't know. Charlie, it be crazy.
So you dey go or you dey turn around
You
again?
the 10. Alright.
Just regular.
Yeah, man.
Already?
Yeah. Yeah.
The 3.
No, you like it for go. It they come, but the boost they kick in late.
Okay.
You see, the boost kicks in very late.
Bro, I know the feet. Bro, I know the feet.
No. Oh, you don't be safe.
Yeah, from here they go.
I think the fucking bikers know where the Chris calls Santa.
Yeah.
You don't get. Okay, make them go. You don't get this thing.
It didn't lag.
So 3.
The difference is obvious.
Free.
You see, you know the big video. You
Yeah, me I feel say Audi that be what they happen plus Audi. But this be the same thing. After a certain RPM be when you go feel the boost. Yeah. Nah, but Chai, these are still two beasts though.
Oh yeah.
Josh, you go like try flash your car. I believe in you, man. Both cars are turning this thing.
Make all these cars come, I'll go last them. Fuck off.
Fuck up too. We be another driver.
Man, and I was there.
Oh, I know. You can't fuck up there.
Yeah, it wasn't. So you got the G90, RS6, and the E34. It's crazy how this is rarer than these two, but these are the newer cars. And then you got the Batman. You got the E36 3 Series. Very nice. Ooh, Charlie, the RX6 is the color the B. Ryan, see, I told you. You drifted there. This is noisy. I would hate to be these guys' neighbor. Hey, mom used to tell me when you're eating, don't talk. Never knew she was talking about life.